your snowblower won't start or won't stay running, today I'm going to show you a really easy temporary fix you can do to the carburetor without even removing it from the machine most times. So if there's something in the carburetor restricting the fuel from coming up the main jet into the venturi and going to the engine, chances are it's usually right in the main jet. The main jet supplies the majority of the fuel for the high-speed engine operation, and so what you can sometimes do is just turn off the fuel. I'd recommend draining the fuel, and then you can actually remove this screw, and this is where those little holes are. You'll see a little tiny one right there. Now this is an adjustable one, but a non-adjustable one will look similar. Right here you can see the holes, tiny holes in there from the non-adjustable one. So sometimes there's just some piece of gummed up fuel that's blocking those jets, and sometimes that's all it takes. You might spray up here, but sometimes that's all it takes just to get you running again, to get the snow blowing done.